Nutrition in plants. Before studying about the nutrition in plants, let us understand what nutrition is. Nutrition is nothing but food. So, all living organisms require food to survive. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals are the components of food, and these components of food are called nutrients, and they are necessary for our body. Carbohydrates are found majorly in bread, honey, biscuits, wheat, milk, yogurt, nuts. Proteins are found majorly in eggs, dairy products like milk, yogurt, cheese, fish, seafood. Fats are found majorly in butter, ice creams, cheese, meat, cakes. Vitamins are of different forms, that is, vitamin A, B, C, D, and E. Vitamins are majorly found in eggs, milk products, fruits, and green leafy vegetables. And minerals such as calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, potassium, chloride, and sulfur are the components of food. Have you ever thought, where do we get all these carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals from? Let us take a moment and think about it. We humans generally feed on vegetables, cereals, or on meat. Vegetables and cereals are directly obtained by plants. Meat are usually taken up in the form of goat or hen or other sources too. But what do you think those animals we consume feed on? Yes, they also feed on plants. Thus, plants are the only organisms that can prepare their own food. And we humans and also animals are directly or indirectly dependent on plants. So we conclude that nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. These food or nutrients enable all living organisms to build their bodies, to grow, to repair damaged parts of their bodies, and provide the energy to carry out life processes. Mode of nutrition in plants. There are two types of nutrition in organisms. They are autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which organisms prepare their own food from simple substances is called autotrophic nutrition. Auto equals self, trophos equals nourishment. Plants prepare their food by using water, carbon dioxide, minerals, and sunlight present in their surroundings. And this process is known as photosynthesis. Therefore, plants are called autotrophs. The mode of nutrition in which organisms cannot prepare their own food and obtain it directly or indirectly from autotrophs is called heterotrophic nutrition. Heteros equals other, trophos equals nourishment. Is it possible for a human or an animal to prepare food using water, carbon dioxide, minerals, or sunlight present in their surroundings? No. Hence, humans and animals are called heterotrophs.